Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in their Ipsy, Boxycharm, whatever it's called box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I thought they said the box would be called Boxycharm by Ipsy, yet it just says Ipsy everywhere. I don't know, I predict that at some point in time this will just be called some kind of an Ipsy box. Alright, enough of rambling. I'm probably one of the last persons to unbox this because this just arrived yesterday on April the 18th. I saw some people's unboxings go up, I want to say on like April the 7th. I don't know why my boxes always arrive late. Ah, crap. I forgot my cell phone and I have to log into the app to get all the product and pricing information. Un momento. Alright, if you're wondering why my face looks weird, it's because I'm weird. No, actually, I am only partially wearing makeup. I intentionally did not put blush or highlighter on because I, for once, remembered one of the products in here and I wanted to try that on. And I don't wear highlighter before blush. And my eyes do not have eyeshadow on because I remembered there's an eyeshadow palette in here. Let's get going and unbox this sucker. First off, look, more wedding paper. I don't know what you call this. I don't know that it does much, but at least it's recyclable. Alright, first item, we have a product here from SONÄGE. This is the High Impact Vitamin C Serum. I did select this. It retails for $68. And if memory serves me correct, I wasn't impressed with my choices. I have plenty of skincare, but I love anything with vitamin C. Let's see. Yep, there is a pump. Okay, it's clear and very thin, a true serum. Lately, some of the serums I've been getting are a little thicker than what I would consider a serum to be. Ooh, and nice. It actually smells like citrus, more orange. As bad as my choices were, I'm not mad at that product. Okay, what else did I get? Oh no, I'm not mad at this product. This product, by the way, is from LYS Beauty. It's the No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick, and I have it in the shade Motivate or Light. Why I said oh no is I didn't put blush on because I know there's a blush-like product in my box. I did go ahead and apply contour bronzer. Well, me partially wearing makeup, that did not work out because I could have tried this on. Oh well, I will put this on in a future get ready with me. Now, if I can only figure out how to open the box, un momento. Interesting packaging. This whole side opens up. All right. Fingers crossed this isn't busted. I've seen several people. Oh, yep. Well, mine's, I don't know if it's fully busted, but it did stick to the cap a little. No big deal, but some people, like the whole thing, like just fell out. Let's do a swatch. All right, it is a little more warm toned. I mean, it's not horrible warm tone, but it's not as neutral or cool as I love and enjoy. But I'll definitely be using this in an upcoming Get Ready With Me. What does that retail for? Oh, this is very affordable at $20. All right, next item. All right, we have this product here, which came nicely bubble wrapped. This here is from Cab Cosmetics, and it is the Glow Powder in the shade French Kiss. And this retails for $28, which for a Bravo celebrity, that seems a little pricey. The compact is cute. It does come with a mirror, and this is what the shade looks like. That is right up my alley. I'm going to swatch now, and then there's another product that's a cream liquid product, and then we will do the cheeks. But, okay, so it is really cute right there, and it has a sheen to it, but it's not super glittery. There's no glitter. It's not too shiny, but I think that will look beautiful on top of the next product, which is this here is from Drunk Elephant. This will be the first time I've ever received or will be able to try a product from that brand. And this is the O-Bloos Rosi Drops. They have omega fatty acids. This is a skincare brand, and I was honestly surprised to see that they have makeup products. Oh, it's a lot small. Here's the box and here's the product, so it's a little smaller than the box. But at $38, this is what I would consider a little bougie. All right, let's squirt some out and do a little swatch and then get some on my face. All right, that's what it looks like right there. And then, oh, it's darker than I thought. Not in a bad way, just, or maybe I squirted out a lot. I've seen other people try it on and you can barely see it on them. Or maybe I have some luck being as fair as I am. Okay. It does feel very like a serum. It's not tacky or sticky, but it is, I don't know how to describe it, wet. Let's see. Does it have a scent? No, no scent. All right, and then the last product is this palette here from NATASHA DENONA. It's the Alloy palette, and it retails for $48. I love that they actually put this in the box so everyone got it. In the past, something like this would have been like a choice, and then if you are on the West Coast and you don't get up in time, or you sleep in, even if you're on the East Coast, if you didn't do your choice early in the day, oftentimes it would sell out. So thank you, Ipsy, for putting this in everyone's box. Let me share the one add-on I picked up. I just couldn't resist. Do I need another eyeshadow palette? No. But this was only $3.50. It's the Naturally Nude palette from Trend Beauty. And, you know, come on. That is just gorgeous. I love these kind of pinky rosy shades. And you got some neutrals, and then I think these are both highlighters. You could use them on your eyes. $3.50? Yes, please. If the formula is not good or it sucks, what, you know, $3.50. All right, let's recap everything I got in my box, and then I will do a try on. So I got a high impact vitamin C serum from SONÄGE, the O-Bloos Rosi Drops from Drunk Elephant, the glow powder from Cab Cosmetics, the No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick from LYS Beauty, and the Alloy palette from NATASHA DENONA. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, considering how cranky I was when I made my selections, I'm not cranky anymore. This was a really good box. I'm not sure if this is considered makeup or skincare since it has a rosy tint and is meant for your cheeks. I'm going with makeup, which means I got 4 makeup products, and then the one skincare I got has vitamin C and smells really good. So yay! I'm gonna list the MSRP total value. I know based off of this product alone at $38, the box has already been paid for. Toss in a NATASHA DENONA palette at $48. Okay, we definitely got our value. A $68 serum, yes please, and 2 additional makeup products. This box for me is a win. I know not everyone has been happy. I see Reddit posts where people were missing products, had to contact customer service, all of the normal kind of BS that can happen. But luckily, I got my box intact and everything I was supposed to get. So for me, yay. All right, let's quickly give this Drunk Elephant product a try. Now, I don't know if I should use a sponge or a brush or both. I don't know if I just put way too much product on my hand, but let's hope it doesn't dry down quickly because I need to take what's on my finger and put it on both sides. Ooh, I got a little low. All right. We'll look a little cray-cray for a second. Until I should have thought things through. I need to quickly grab a brush. Where do I have a brush? Okay, yay, found one. The beauty of not cleaning up your filming space is there's usually something I need in front of me. Okay. Now, I must say, as I mentioned before, it feels wet. It's cold. You know, like any lotion, anything that's wet kind of is a little cooling. I can feel the wetness on my cheeks. I don't like that sensation, but Hopefully it will dissipate quickly. Now my brush, yeah, my brush even feels wet. Interesting. I'm wondering if you should maybe use a sponge. I just feel like if I use a sponge, it's just gonna wipe it away. So I will just sit here and let it kind of dry down. In the meantime, I'm gonna channel my inner Heather and do the world's quickest, fastest eye lick. Wish me luck. I'm gonna use this really light kind of camel color. And oh, I'm not used to doing my eye lick after I've already applied eyeliner, so oops, already made a boo-boo. Less talking, more quickly. Okay, so just rub that in. This is gonna be the worst eye lick ever because I'm going for speed. Okay, that's what that looks like. Just gonna take whatever is remaining and pinch the brush and get that under my eyes. All right, I'm lazy. Gonna take that same brush and let's go into this kind of deeper rust shade. All right, again, pinch, focus on the outer third. All right, take a small brush, go into the deepest brown shade here, and really just focus right on the outer corner. All right. Horrible job at blending, but there, yay, I'm done-ish. I gotta grab a shimmer shade. There's this really copper one and then this more kind of taupier, cooler shade tone. I'm going in with that one. And I just realized it's gonna be too dark to put in the inner corner, but I will focus it right here, kind of center. Ooh, that's pretty. And then I'll just grab a highlighter and get the inner corner because your girl has to have a little shimmer. Oh yes, beautiful. Blend that in. Throw a little on the brow bone. All right, here's the eye look speed round version. My cheeks no longer feel wet or cool. And it has dried down, so that is fantastic. All right, I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush, go into the Cab Cosmetics, add a little. All right, I'm very, very pink in the cheeks. Let me just tone it down a little. Okay, untuck the hair. There we go. Now I can take a thumbnail. All right, let me know your thoughts. What do you think of my box? I will never be mad at getting a NATASHA DENONA palette. By the way, I believe this is specifically made for Ipsy / Boxycharm. Don't quote me on that. But I don't know that you can actually pick this up from NATASHA DENONA's website or Beautylish or wherever her products are sold. But I'm dying to know if you've received your box yet, and if so, did you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed my box? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.